What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about how to kill weeds in your lawn. Now this way is going to tell you how to effectively kill all the broadleaf leaves or broadleaf weeds that you have in your lawn. It's not going to kill every single weed in the lawn, but it's going to do pretty much about 80% of it, maybe even higher. So pretty much any weed that you have in your lawn, this is going to kill. Now if this isn't able to do that, you got to take better, more extreme measures, but for the most part, pretty much anybody out there, they're gonna have this type of broadleaf type of weed that you have in your lawn. And they kind of look like, I'm gonna show some on the screen right now, but that's what you're gonna get, and that's what's gonna be able to kill. So what you'll need is, you'll need a 1 gallon or more sprayer here. So this is a 1 gallon. If you have a lot of weeds or a larger lawn, you'll want more of like a 2 gallon or maybe even 3. You'll need SpeedZone, and this is the weed killer. It'd be nice to have a surfactant. So what this is going to do, the surfactant is going to allow you to mix it up with the weed killer, and it's going to allow it to kind of settle on the weed and just kind of concentrate on the actual weed to make it easier to kill the weed. Then I have what they call laser, and this is just a blue dye. And if you have a lot of weeds and you want to know if you've actually sprayed it, you'll just put the dye in there with you. I'd always recommend using gloves if you're going to put that in there. This will eventually go away once it rains or once you mow the lawn, so don't worry about that. It's just to show you where we've sprayed before. And then I have a little measuring cup here, and this way you can, because this is concentrate and you want to mix it with water, and you can measure it in here and then put it in your sprayer. All of these products will be in the description below so you can purchase it. I did buy this at Home Depot. You will not be able to buy SpeedZone from Home Depot or Lowe's or your local box place, maybe Ace, but I will link this in the description below. Now, are you able to go to the local box store and get like a WeedBGon or Roundup or something like that and kill weeds? Yeah, you could probably do that. It won't be as effective as getting something like SpeedZone, and there's a reason why. Most of those out there, they have a very high concentrate of 2,4-D, and 2,4-D is the biggest ingredient in killing weeds. Now, something like SpeedZone has, on the label here, it has 28.57% of this is 2,4-D. Now something like WeedBGon or Ortho or anything like that, or Roundup, they have, it's like 6% or 4% or even lower. So it's very, very concentrate, and SpeedZone will definitely help get your weeds killed in an effective manner. All right, now I got it out of the box. You got the pump right here, which you also fill up in here, and then you have the sprayer. Now it's also neat to talk about is you have different spray patterns that you can use, and you adjust it by screwing or tightening the nozzle or loosening the nozzle. Obviously this will loosen all the way off, so be careful with that, but just get it to where what type of spray or stream that you want to use. Now I always say use gloves, because let's be honest here, you probably don't want this all stuff on your hands. If you get on your hands, no big deal, just go ahead and wash it off. But I always say just be careful. Now what I'd like to do is I like to put the weed killer and surfactant in here before I put the water. And I went ahead, in the booklet, it does tell you how many ounces per gallon. And right now we have 1 gallon here. And I went ahead and just put it on a marker, or at least a marker on the side here, 0.75 to about 1.8. I think it's more like 1. Just depends on how potent you want it to be. Obviously you don't want it too potent, because if it's too potent, it will start to harm your grass or your turf. But I do about 1.5 or so per gallon, and then so that's what I use is this to fill it up. Now on this, I don't have anything to measure this. They say a little teaspoon of this will go, the surfactant will go not far enough, and so I just kind of just put a little bit of a dash in there. Not too scientific on that, so if you have a way to measure it, go ahead. If not, just kind of dump it in there real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and dump the product in here, and then we're gonna fill it with water and then give it a good shake. Now we're just gonna fill it up with water up to the gallon mark, which it has fill line right there. So it doesn't go all the way to the top here. This just screws on, and then use this to pump once you screw it all the way on tight. And you're ready to go. Now let's go spray some weeds. as you can see here is some of the weeds that we sprayed. And we made sure that we sprayed them pretty good. And here they are, alive and being a nuisance. And what you can do is you can also spray in a rock garden area like this too. And now, after a couple days, they are dying. As you can see here, starting to die, starting to shrink up, and eventually they will go away from the lawn completely. Now, we did get about 2 inches of rain in the last 2 days after spraying, so keep that in mind, but they will go away. Also, make sure that you spray 30 minutes at least before it rains, or else it won't be effective. So there you have it. That is how to kill weeds pretty effectively. Now, the cost of all the stuff, I think the pump sprayer was about $10, and then the SpeedZone that was about $35. They're all linked in the description below, so you can check it out yourself. That is concentrate, so they say it'll last 48,000 square feet of lawn, which is quite a bit for your average lawn. Most average lawns about 5,000, 10,000 square feet. So that's just blanket spraying everything, and you're not going to do it anyways. So it'll last you a couple of years anyways. So it's a little bit more expensive than buying like Roundup or something like that at the store, but it's a lot more effective, and it will last you just as much, if not longer. Now, as you can see, after a couple of days, the lawn will actually, or the weeds in the lawn will actually start dying and go away completely. And so if you do that year after year after year, after a few years, and if you effectively fertilize your lawn, you're gonna do a lot less. Like my parents' lawn, for some reason, they have a lot of weeds, but if we keep doing this, every year, it's gonna be a lot less weeds we'll have to do. So a lot of work at the very beginning, but as we go, it won't be less work. So if this video helped in any way, please leave me a like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment section below. Also, feel free to subscribe if you're not already for more videos like this for lawn care and kind of tech how-tos and unboxings for anything like that. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.